Hello everyone, welcome to Untitled channel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the toner cartridge on your Brother laser printer. Now the first thing you need to do is open up this panel. To do that, you need to put your finger in these groups and then pull it out just like that. There are groups on both sides, and once you open it, you'll see this tray. Now you need to grab this part and then pull it out gently just like that. It shouldn't take much force. Now once you do that, you need to remove the actual cartridge from this tray. Now to do that, you need to press this button here, and that will release the cartridge, as you can see here. Now once you have it on your hand, put it aside and then take out your new one, and then don't forget to remove the protective case and then place it in just like the previous one, and then press it in, and that will click in place. Now after that, you need to prime the cartridge. In order to do that, you just move this slider back and forth a few times, and that will prime the cartridge. There are actual instructions here to do that. Now once you are done, you put it back in. It shouldn't take much force, it should go in easy, as you can see here, and then press it in, and then give it a little wiggle to make sure that it is sitting there properly. After that, you just close this panel and you should see the regular screen that you see when you turn on your printer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.